Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on your LG Gram laptop. In order to use the split screen feature on your laptop, you have to open at least two separate windows or apps, and then you can either grab the top bar of the app and move it to one of the sides if you want to place two applications at once. It only works for two, so just place this window on one side and then click on the other one to put it onto another. But if you want to place more than two windows on one screen, let me open, well, maybe recycle bin. Now if you want to place three or more, you have to grab the top bar of the window and drag it to the top of your screen, and then select one of the available positions for this window. As you can see, we can place up to 4 different windows on the screen at the same time, and here is the preset for 3 different windows. So let me put this one, for example, in the top right corner. Then I can put my web browser to the left side and this folder to the right. And now you can adjust the size of which window by moving the bars between them. And to exit the split screen mode, you can just close the window or just move the top bar of the window. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.